Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you different ways you can use rice water on your braids, because many people have asked me whether you can actually use rice water on your braids, and the answer is yes, you can use rice water on your braids. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So without any further ado, let's just get started. I've already soaked my rice for 24 hours, so I'll just put it in my spray bottle, mix it up with some oils and get started. But if you don't know how to make rice water yet, I have a video about that. I've already made a video, so I will leave the link in the description down below. Just check it out, or just click the eye on the upper right hand corner of your screen and watch it there. There are many different ways you can use rice water on your braids, but number one way is using it as a scalp rub. When you use rice water as a scalp rub on your braids, it helps make your hair stronger and healthier, and it's also good for dandruff, because when you braid your hair, many people seem to have dandruff. So all you need to do is just get your spray bottle, spray a little bit of it into your scalp and massage it thoroughly. You don't necessarily need to wash your hair immediately. You can leave it there for like a week before washing it out, because all you need is just a small amount into your scalp. Third way you can use rice water on your braids is as a pre-poo treatment. This is just a little treatment you do to your hair before you shampoo or condition your hair. Just use spray bottle and spray all through your braids, just on the roots, then wash. Fourth way you can use rice water on your braids is as a deep conditioner. You can decide to use a spray bottle like I'm doing right here, or just dip your hair in the rice water. You can decide to use a cup or a plate. Just soak it very well and cover in a plastic bag or a scarf and wait for like 30 minutes or an hour before you wash your hair. Another way to use rice water on your braids is as a co-wash. You can use it while you are shampooing or conditioning your hair. It's a very good mixture. You can just spray it while you must have used your shampoo on your hair, or just mix it into your shampoo or your conditioner and use it to wash your hair. It's very good for hair growth and very good to make your hair stronger and healthier. Just add a little bit of rice water into the conditioner and use it to wash your hair. The last but not least way to use rice water on your braids is as a hair rinse. This is done when you must have finished shampooing and conditioning your hair, the last step in your shower routine. Then just go ahead and give yourself a final hair rinse using your rice water. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please make sure to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And please, there is something I forgot to mention when I was recording my voiceover. I just noticed that now. I said number 1 way, then I skipped number 2 and then jumped to number 3 way of using rice water on your braids, and that's so absurd and very unprofessional of me, and I'm so sorry. I'm not going to do that again. I think my brain is going south for some reason. I'm sorry, and I honestly don't have the strength to delete and record this voiceover all over again. I'll make sure not to do it next time. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye.